Hi, I'm Leon, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a secret recipe peanut butter and jelly sandwich. To make this, you're going to need all the ingredients I mentioned in the previous slide. So first, you're going to want to get some peanut butter, good amount, and spread it on both sides of the bread. I already have this done, so I'm just going to get those out. Next, you're going to want to spread jelly on it. So just get some jelly, spread it around, do that again, spread that around, and then next you add your marshmallows. Miniature is always better. And then your potato chips. And then put the two together, and you got yourself a special recipe sandwich.